Welcome back to the discussion and thank you for joining us. We are presenting a question that was done in K.c.s.e 1996, paper 2, question number 18, a question on angled properties of a circle. We have been told that A or C is the diameter of the circle with center O. You can see AB is equal to BC and angle ACD is 25 degrees. EBF is adjacent to the circle at B, and G is a point on the minor arc CD. Calculate the size of angle BAD, BOD, BGD. Then you show that angle ABE is equal to CBF, and you give the reasons. The first thing we are going to do, you can see that AC is the diameter of the circle. The diameter will always subtend an angle of 90 degrees at the circumference of a circle. That means it is also going to subtend 90 at this point. If this is 90 and this is 25 here, the angle here will be 90 plus 25 minus from 180, and this one is going to give us 65 degrees. So the angle at this point is 65 degrees, and we know that AB is equal to BC, and this is 90. That means we are going to have 45 degrees, and here is 45 degrees since these are the base angles of an isosceles triangle. Having done that, we can right away answer Roman 1 of part A, which is where we are supposed to state the size of angle BAD. To get BAD, we need the entire of this angle at this point, and this one is going to give us 65 plus 45, giving us a total of 110 degrees. We go to Roman 2 of the same question. We are supposed to find B or D, and therefore we are forced to draw a line joining D and O. We know that the angle at this point here is going to be 90 degrees, and if this is 90, this is also going to be 90 degrees from here. But since OD and OA gives us the radius of the circle, it means we have an isosceles triangle where the base angles are going to be equal. And if that is the case, we are going to have 65 here. And if this is 65, we are going to have 180 minus 65 plus 65 is 130, translating to 50 at this point. If this is 50 again, and this is 90 here, then the angle BOD will be equivalent to 90 plus 50, which is going to give us 140 degrees as the answer to Roman 2 of this question. We move to Roman 3. So if the angle at this point is 50, then it means the angle remaining to make it 90 is going to be 40 degrees. We already know that this is 65. That means we have 25 at this point. We also have 25, meaning the angle that is going to remain here will be 130 degrees, since OD and OC form the radius of the circle, and therefore we have an isosceles triangle where the base angles are equal. So if the angle at this point is 40 and OD is equal to OG, giving us another isosceles triangle, and this is 40 here, meaning the base angles will be equal. We are going to take 180 minus 40 divided by 2. That gives us 140 divided by 2, which is going to be 70 degrees. meaning this is 70 degrees. Already we have 25, meaning we are going to have 45 at this point, such that 45 plus 25 will give us 70 degrees. That means, again, the angle BGD will be equivalent to 70 degrees from what we have done anyway. B, show that angle ABE, this angle here, is equal to CBF, and you can see this one is going to be the alternate angle of the angle at point C. This is also going to be 45, and this angle alternates with this angle in the alternate segment, meaning we are going to have 40 degrees at this point. Therefore, we know that ABC is going to be equal to 90 degrees. Reason? It is subtended by the diameter on the circumference. And if that is the case, then we know that AB is equals to BC. That means we are going to have an isosceles triangle where the angle ACB is going to be equal to, that is the angle at this point, is going to be equal to BAC, which is going to be 45 degrees. That is the first thing. We also know that ABC, angle ABC, we also know that angle BAC is equal to BCA, which is also equal to 45 degrees. That is very clear from there. And since, therefore, we can argue that angle ABE is equal to CBF, and this one is going to be 45 degrees. Reason these are angles in alternate segment. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, you click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification. Thank you and welcome.